Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about the variables in bash script. So in bash scripting, if you want to define any kind of variable, you have to start with set and then give the variable name. So you can give any variable name, and for an example I'm just giving variable name called var, okay, and then equal to sign, and then you can define a particular string or an integer. Even you can just use a command later. So let's take an example that I'm just using Rahul over here as a variable name, okay, and now I want to display that particular variable. I just want to display what is inside that variable. So if I use this, then it will give me an error that var is not recognized as an internal or external command line, because what it is doing over here is it just taking this particular name and it just interpreting that as a command. So it's trying to execute that as a command in this console, and this is not a command, this is a variable. So in this case, if you want to display what is inside this variable, or if you want to just return down the variable or execute the variable, then you have to use percentage sign, then name of your variable, and again the percentage sign, okay. And if I use this, then it will try to execute whatever is written inside this variable as a command. So right now here you can see it's actually showing Rahul is not recognized as an internal or external commands, okay. So what it's trying to doing here is it's trying to interpret this Rahul, and it's trying to interpret that as a command, and it's trying to execute that over the console. So this is not what I wanted to do. I just wanted to display this particular value inside this variable. So in that case you can use echo, and after that percent sign, then var, nothing but your variable name, and then percent sign again. And if I use that, then it's showing me the actual value which is written inside that variable. So in this case, if you want to store any kind of commandlet or any kind of command inside this variable, you can do that, and you can directly call that variable. So for an example, I'm just using set hyphen my command equal to, and I'm using dir, okay. And now if I call this variable using percent sign my command, and it's actually executing this dir as a command, and dir is actually command, this is a directory command, so it's actually displaying all the directory from this particular, all the files from this particular directory, okay. So this is how you can use the variable. And in a scripting, if you want to use this kind of variable, so let's take an example that you are just creating a script. So first thing that you have to do is use echo off, okay. And then let's take an example that you want to store some kind of file name inside a variable. So I'm just defining set, and then I'm using variable called file name. So this is nothing but my variable name, and then equal to, and I'm storing that file name, or for an example called test.txt, okay. This is nothing but my file name, and then I just want to display that file name. So I'm just using echo, and then I'm using the file name is, and after this I will not use file name, because if I use file name, then it's actually display me, it will actually execute this complete string, and it will show me that on the console. So let me save this, and if I use variable.bat, then it's actually displaying something like this. The file name is file name, but I don't want to display file name word over here. Instead of that, I want to display what is stored inside this particular variable. So in that case, I will use percent sign in the start and the percent sign on the last, okay. So this will actually display me this particular file name test.txt. So if I run this again, so it's showing me the file name is test.txt. So if you want to call that variable, and if you want to display the data which is stored inside that variable, you have to use percent sign on the start and the end of that particular variable name. And you can actually call you can actually just write any variable name that you want. You have to just use equal to sign and then define whatever you want to display. So you can just use string over here or integer over here, that is fine. You can actually use commandlet inside this, and then you can just display that particular commandlet. Okay, so let's take an example of commandlet here. That is, I'm just using dir, and in echo what I want to do is your current directory files are, and after that I'm just using percent file name. Okay, and if I save this and if I run this again, so now here you can actually see that is actually displaying me the complete message, and I have written dir, and I want to execute that as a command. I don't want to execute that as a string. So here you can see that it's actually executing that message as a string dir. So here what I can do, that instead of writing this over here, I will use this on the next line, and there I will call this particular variable. So I will use file name over here, and let me save this, and if I run this again, then you can see on the top it's actually displaying me the message your current directory files are, and under that is actually displaying me this all files. So this is how you can actually use a variable inside your bash scripting.